Have you ever looked up at the sky and wondered, why is the sky blue? It's a question that has fascinated people for centuries, and today we're going to break it down in the simplest way possible. So, let's dive into the science behind this everyday mystery. The science of light. To understand why the sky is blue, we first need to understand light. The light from the sun may look white, but in reality, it's made up of many different colors just like a rainbow. Each color of light travels in waves, and these waves have different lengths. Red and orange light have long wavelengths. Blue and violet light have much shorter wavelengths. But what does this have to do with the sky? Well, let's find out. The atmosphere and Rayleigh scattering. The Earth's atmosphere is made up of tiny molecules of gases like nitrogen and oxygen. When sunlight enters the atmosphere, it collides with these tiny molecules. This causes the light to scatter in different directions. But here's the interesting part. Shorter wavelengths, like blue and violet, scatter more than longer wavelengths, like red and yellow. This process is called Rayleigh scattering. But wait, if violet light scatters even more than blue light, shouldn't the sky look purple? Good question. Why do we see blue and not violet? There are two reasons why our sky appears blue instead of violet. 1. The sun emits less violet light compared to blue light. 2. Our eyes are more sensitive to blue light and less sensitive to violet. So, while both blue and violet are scattered, our brains register the sky as blue. Why does the sky turn red at sunset? Now, what about those beautiful red and orange sunsets? Well, when the sun is lower in the sky, its light has to pass through more of the atmosphere before reaching our eyes. By this time, most of the blue light has been scattered away, leaving behind the longer wavelength reds, oranges, and yellows. This is why the sky looks fiery and colorful during sunrise and sunset. What if Earth had no atmosphere? Now, imagine Earth had no atmosphere at all, just like the moon. What would the sky look like? The answer? Completely black. Without an atmosphere to scatter light, there would be nothing to reflect blue wavelengths. That's why astronauts on the moon see only darkness, even when the sun is shining. Other planets and their sky colors. Did you know that other planets have different colored skies? On Mars, the sky looks reddish-brown because of dust in the atmosphere. But during sunset, it turns blue. On Saturn's moon Titan, the thick atmosphere makes the sky orange and hazy. Every planet has a unique atmosphere, which changes how light is scattered. The beauty of our blue sky. So, the next time you look up at the bright blue sky, you'll know it's all thanks to the science of light, scattering, and our amazing atmosphere. And that's why the sky is blue. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Whyforask for more answers to life's most curious questions.